All right, folks, I'm going to do a short video today because we get a lot of questions about this, and I thought it'd help just doing a short video. But in the kits that we send, they come with these 3-hole cups, and people always ask, why is there 3 holes? Why don't we just get one? A bunch of questions like that. So anyways, the reason we send 3-hole cups out there, they do make 1-hole cups, they make 2-hole cups, and then they make 3. If you notice, each one is a different size. But here's what we do at the shop, and we'll fill the large one up with some oil, and then one of the other two, usually the second size down, fill that one up with a little bit of oil, not much, just a little bit. So you're going to take your fresh, clean pin, and you're going to dip it into the oil, and then you're going to put it on your pivot, and then when you come back, you're going to dip this pin into the second oil to clean it off. Then you'll go back and put some fresh oil on, do your pivot again, and then come back, rinse it off, fresh oil, and so forth and so on. If you want to, you can do all 3. So you would do your fresh oil, clean it off, and then fresh oil. I think you're going to be surprised that when you're finished doing the clock, how you might find 1 or 2 little small pieces of black contaminants inside there, which is good if you do, because that means you got it out. So anyways, that's what they're for. If y'all have any questions or any comments, please leave the comments below. I'll include my email in this if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll start putting out some little short videos like this all the time. This is a side note, folks. I don't do fancy introductions with swirly explosions and greatest, latest news and all that crap. I just sit down here and videotape it. I do very little editing. I do it like I teach the class. Whenever people come to some of our seminars and classes and stuff, this is how I do it. So if you're looking for some fancy, wild, professional looking video, I'm sorry, we're not it. If you're looking for some good quality instructions, then hey, we're going to be the guys for you. So anyways, I just thought I'd throw that in because we have had a lot of people say, oh, you could do your videos just really nice and you can add this and add that, and I don't have time for it, nor do I want to. They're instructional videos, and that's what they're for. Again, thanks for watching, and if y'all have any questions or comments, again, just please leave them below and let us know. Thanks so much.